Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Jay Craig, Chief Executive Officer and President, Meritor.
Welcome. Thank you for joining us. Great to see everyone here again at NACV. So great to see the show just continue to grow into its second year. It's been just a fantastic show. As you know, Meritor has been committed to the commercial vehicle industry for 110 years, dating back to 1909. This year, you'll see that we're still going strong. In fact, we are building our momentum. Today, we'll tell you about how we are enhancing and expanding our product offering globally. This applies to products within our core portfolio, as well as in our advanced technology product line under our Blue Horizon brand. Our theme for this year's event is Evolution and Revolution. Evolution represents our commitment to continuous innovation of the products that our customers have come to depend on for the past 110 years. Through the evolution, we are able to design, engineer, and manufacture for higher efficiency, reduced weight, and increased durability. You will hear from James and TJ about several of our products that we have dramatically improved upon. Revolution is more dramatic, wide-reaching change. This describes our Blue Horizon brand solutions, like our new electric drive axles that you see here today, and our capability through our relationship with TransPower to help customers integrate these advanced solutions into their vehicles. Most importantly, our entire product portfolio represents our close collaborative relationships with our customers around the globe. Our exceptional team ensures we are offering global OEs exactly what they need when they need it. With that, let me introduce Chris Villavarayan, President of Meritor's Global Truck Business.
Thanks, Jay. Welcome. It's a pleasure to be here with all of you. As Jay mentioned, our theme this year is Evolution, Revolution. This best characterizes Meritor's ability to design products for our customers' needs now and well into the future. So we have examples of both. When we talk about evolution, it's really about taking our current products, our core products, and announcing the launch of safe and efficient products that go across every product category that we serve. Examples of revolution is our expanded e-axle lineup, which allows customers more application options with our electric drive systems. We provide this under our Blue Horizon brand with the support of TransPower. Now let me take a minute and introduce the great team that's going to walk you through all these products in great detail. Starting with James Taylor, Vice President, Rear Drivetrain. James is going to cover our core products, highlighting the benefits that our high-efficiency solutions can provide. Next, TJ Reed, Vice President, Front Drivetrain and Electrification. And TJ is going to talk about our exciting new brake launch that you see here in the middle of the room. And finally, John Bennett, our Chief Technology Officer, who will be talking about our continuing growth in our electrification portfolio. Now, staying on the theme of electrification, I'm absolutely proud to talk about yet another exciting win for Meritor. MAN Volkswagen in South America has chosen Meritor to be a part of their e-consortium to supply e-axles. The e-consortium is something that was developed 25 years ago in Resende and has been helping them build trucks. And now they're expanding that for electric trucks. And we are one of 7 suppliers that have been chosen to be a part of this partnership. This agreement provides Meritor a 5-year exclusivity to supply axles for their electric trucks. MAN already has one of the largest orders in the world for electrified commercial vehicles with 1,600 e-delivery trucks for Ambev, the world's largest beer distributor. starting in 2020. With this new award in Brazil, we continue to demonstrate our market leadership in electrification. Now, to start the evolution, James Taylor.
Thank you, Chris, and good afternoon, everyone. As I stand here today, I can say with confidence that we are the truck drivetrain market leader. And to maintain that position of leadership, we must continue to evolve our best-in-class product lineup. Our customers are continuing to ask us for higher efficiency from our products to help them achieve their performance and their business goals and to meet emissions requirements. Our OEM customers are in need of solutions to meet upcoming GHG2 regulations. Our fleet customers are in need of solutions that can increase MPG and freight efficiency. So today, we're very proud to announce that we are advancing our high-efficiency lineup across several axle platforms to meet customer needs across multiple applications. First, we've evolved our 14X HE axle. The 14X HE is already an efficiency leader in the North American Class 8 market, but we're not stopping there. We're adding our proven Meritor lube management system to the forward carrier. The 14X HE already had Meritor lube management in the rear carrier at launch, and now we're increasing this axle's efficiency, up to 0.5% more efficient than today's design, which was already 1.5% more efficient than its predecessor. Now let's talk about some other new axle launches. On the vocational side of the business, we're launching an evolution of our proven 160 series vocational axle, which is the best-selling vocational tandem axle in North America. In the last decade alone, we've sold over 600,000. And now our new 160 HE offers numerous new benefits. Firstly, ease of OEM integration. The 160 platform is already engineered on virtually every vocational truck platform. A 1% increase in efficiency versus the previous model through shared technology from our proven 14X HE. The Meritor lube management system, fuel-efficient bearings, as well as optional integrated torque plates for an additional 40 pounds of weight savings when paired with air disc brakes. We've also enhanced the gearing to offer faster ratios for downsped applications. Next up is the new 17X HE. This axle features a power-dense, flexible design for 4x2 and 6x2 configurations. For the high-demanding 4x2 heavy line haul applications, city delivery, bus and coach, this axle offers a 1% efficiency gain through optimized gearing, fuel-efficient bearings, and the Meritor lube management system. For the 6x2 configuration, this axle offers faster ratios, more efficiency, and overall more capable carrier featuring laser welding for higher GVW capability. So as you can clearly see, we have a complete lineup of high-efficiency solutions to continue to help our customers run even more profitably. And all of our products are supported by the industry-leading field sales and service team, Meritor DriveForce. And now, let me introduce TJ.
James. Great. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining us here this afternoon. You know, Meritor has had a long and storied history over the past 100 years in the development, manufacture, and servicing of foundation brake products, and really supporting our customers with what is really one of the most safety critical and maintained components on a commercial vehicle. So that's why it's so critical to have a product that is proven and a partner that's trusted. Now, as a global market leader in braking solutions, we produce millions of brakes every year, supporting dozens of OEMs around the globe. And we do that with a broad product portfolio that includes drum brakes as well as air disc brakes. And really, that provides our customers with unmatched product performance, really a broad range of application coverage, and certainly aftermarket support. So now, as we look at the market today, and the interest in an adoption of air disc brake continues to grow here in North America and really around the world, Meritor is very well positioned. We continue to make investments in the development of our air disc brake portfolio. We'll build on that legacy of 100 years and continue to set the bar in new product development and how we support that product. So now as we look to the future and really envision the next generation of air disc brake platforms that will serve our customers for decades to come, I'm happy to tell you that that future is today. So on behalf of the global Meritor team, I'm proud to introduce to you today our latest innovation in braking, the Meritor EX Plus LS air disc brake. Great, thank you. Congratulations to the team. So now the team has been hard at work really over the past 4+ years working with our customers to first really envision, develop, and ultimately deliver an air disc brake that not only meets our customers' requirements, but we're striving to exceed their expectations. So we have conducted over 300 testing events that have put this brake through a lot of abuse, really the operating conditions at the max level, and we're approaching over 1 million field test miles. And really our strenuous testing and validation plan not only ensures market-leading performance from the brake, but also the reliability and durability that comes standard with every Meritor product. So as I mentioned, the name of the new brake is the EX Plus LS. So EX Plus is for the family of Meritor air disc brakes. LS designates line haul service. So this brake was designed specifically for the North American line haul segment, both trailer and tractor. So by taking this purpose-built design approach, we were able to optimize the performance, cost, and weight of the product just for line haul. And the brake weighs in just about 71 pounds. This is the lightest air disc brake that Meritor has ever produced. So we certainly feel this will be the brake of choice, the preferred choice for fleets that are interested in minimizing weight and maximizing profit. So let me touch on some of the technical features here. And like all Meritor air disc brakes, the LS will feature an adjuster mechanism that is redundantly sealed and protected from the elements and requires no maintenance. What's really interesting is the innovative single piston design. It incorporates a spreader plate as well as a piston that is twice the size of the competition, really with the effect of evenly distributing the load of the brake over a wider surface of the braking surface. That minimizes taper wear and maximizes pad life. So these are some key design elements that help our customers have the highest performing brake at the lowest cost of ownership. Let me touch on a few of what we will have available as optional features. You can learn about them here in the display. There's some touch screens that will tell you a little bit more about them, but they help us lower the cost of ownership even more. For added protection from the elements, we have a pad and shield protectors available, so that certainly protects from ingress from the environment, extends pad and rotor life. A feature that we call positive pad retraction. So positive pad retraction optimizes the running clearance between the pad and the rotor, and so that reduces residual drag, improves efficiency, and certainly lowers maintenance costs. And lastly, we have embedded sensors into our brake pads, and that provides fleet managers with the opportunity to have an electronic inspection tool to better understand when a pad change is required, so they can sync that with their maintenance schedules and maximize uptime. We're not only launching a new brake today, but I'm also happy to announce the launch of our new proprietary friction. The name of that friction is MA9300. So MA9300 will be standard with the EX Plus LS brake. It'll also be interchangeable with other Meritor calipers. And most notably, MA9300 is approved as an N-level friction. So if you're not familiar with an N-level friction, this will be compliant with the reduced copper regulation set for 2025, but we're going to do it 5 years in advance. It'll be compliant right away. So this is truly a technical achievement. By pre-fulfilling this regulation by 5 years with a high-performing product, we're able to support our customers in their sustainability goals, really by reducing the amount of contaminants that are just discharged on the side of the road and that can end up in our streams and rivers. So certainly they can meet that objective without sacrificing on product performance. And we also have the added benefit where an interim step change to a B-level friction is not required in 2021. So we're excited about all these new products that we've heard today. My congratulations to the team on the launch of the EX Plus LS as well as MA 9300. These products certainly are proven, tested, and we believe trusted by our customers to help them operate their business. So now let me hand it over to John Bennett, our Chief Technology Officer.
Is my mic on? There we go. And thank you all for coming. This turnout is great. So as you've heard, Meritor is also about revolution. Over the course of our 110-year history, we've reinvented ourselves many times. And our most recent revolution started 2 years ago. At this show, in fact, when we launched our first ever fully integrated electric powertrain, the 14xe e-axle, which is on display right over there. And since that time, we've made incredible progress in electrification, not just with our 14xe, but with our entire portfolio of Blue Horizon electric drivetrain products. Here are some highlights. We are on our third generation of the 14xe. We are shipping C-sample pre-production units to major customers in every region we serve around the world. We've accumulated thousands of miles on the 14xe in a multitude of applications and duty cycles to prove out its durability and efficiency. Looking across our portfolio, we now have 22 active e-mobility programs in a variety of applications all around the world, and we will be deploying over 130 vehicles over the next year with Meritor's Blue Horizon electric drivetrain technology on them. And we've added system integration capability through our investment with TransPower. So we can now offer a complete electric drive, battery or hybrid system to our OEM customers, including the vehicle controls, the battery packs, the power electronics, and of course, the electric powertrain. So building on all of this success, I'm really excited to announce that we're extending the application coverage of our electric powertrains by launching 2 new e-axles, the 12xe for medium-duty applications and the 17xe for heavy-duty applications. Take a look. Thank you. So let's start with medium duty. We developed the 12XE specifically for medium duty trucks and buses, classes 4 through 7. It leverages many of the same components as the 14XE, the same product that we developed 2 years ago and we've been validating to simplify complexity and to grow scale on both platforms. But we've optimized the gearing of the 12XE specifically for medium duty and also to package in a smaller axle housing. This makes the 12XE very easy to package in smaller vehicles, and it improves ground clearance, which makes it the perfect solution for Class 4 and 5 vehicles, even Class 6 and 7 vehicles that run on smaller 17.5-inch wheels. As you saw in the video, the 12XE is highly modular. Vehicle manufacturers can choose from a variety of motors, transmission types, gear ratios, wheel end ratios, housings, and brakes to tailor the product to their specific application and duty cycle. Fleets can pick from 4 different power levels, 130 kilowatts, 150, 180, even 200 kilowatts of continuous power, so they can dial in the performance of the truck that they want. They can get good performance, better performance, best performance, even rocket ship performance, if that's what they want. And finally, the 12XE is the e-axle that we will ultimately provide to MAN as part of their e-consortium partnership that Chris mentioned earlier. So next is the 17XE. The 17XE is our e-axle to power heavy-duty trucks up to 44-ton with a single drive axle. The 17XE offers 420 kilowatts of continuous power, which makes it perfectly suited for heavy 4x2 and 6x2 vehicles in applications like regional and long haul in Europe, which uses a predominant amount of 4x2 and 6x2 trucks, but it's also applicable for transit buses, 12 to 18 meter in Europe, 40 to 60 foot in North America, refuse trucks, and terminal tractors. The 17XE has a very unique architecture. We've packaged the motor on the back and the transmission on the front. This patent-pending architecture minimizes its standout so that it can drop into an existing chassis without disrupting the frame rails or any of the cross brackets. It's essentially a drop-in solution. And it too, like its little brothers, is highly modular. There's a variety of motor power ratings, transmission types, wheel end ratios available to meet the performance and the efficiency requirements in all the applications I mentioned earlier. So with the addition of the 17XE and the 12XE to our existing 14XE and all of the modularity that they provide, I believe that we now have the most comprehensive electric powertrain offering for medium and heavy duty trucks of anybody in the world. So again, I'm very excited with the progress we've made in electrification and with all of the Blue Horizon displays that we have in our booth here today. So please take a look. With that, I'm going to turn it back over to Jay for some last comments.
Thanks a lot, Jim.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Good job. Ray. I imagine you now understand exactly what we mean by evolution and revolution. We led the industry for the past 100 years, and we intend to continue that trend for the next 100. We remain committed to the rapid pace of product launches we've established over the past several years and will continue to perform at the highest levels of quality, delivery, and reliability, driving solutions that enable our customers to achieve their objectives is our primary focus. This concludes our press conference. Thank you again for joining us.